Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm looking at this Dodge Charger. I'm trying to figure out the code, or the reason for the code P0197, which is the oil pressure, no it's not, the oil temperature sensor on this vehicle. You can see I'm going to show you where this is at and how easy it is to actually replace it. The problem that we're having right now is a code for the oil temperature sensor. One, it could be the sensor. Two, it could be the wiring. Let me show you what I found and show you where the sensor's at and how easy it is to actually replace. Don't forget, you guys, I'm giving away a Bluetooth OBD2 scan tool. This hooks up right to your phone via Bluetooth, Apple or Android, anything. You can check codes, clear codes, check the readiness monitors, clear the TPMS light or check the TPMS light, check live data, and also reset oil life. Look for a link in the first comment below to get entered. No purchase necessary. All it takes is a comment and subscribe. You could be a winner October 1st for a Blue Driver OBD2 scan tool. All right, so here is, I'm going to use this liquid tape to try to fix this, but let me show you. 19 millimeter. I have the oil filter off, and right on the side of the oil filter housing is the oil temperature sensor. 19 millimeter open end fits right on it from the bottom with the oil filter off. That's all you need to replace. But from this code we're getting, look at what I found, and you might want to check it out. I'm going to try to just rig it up with that liquid tape and we'll see how it goes. But let me show you here. See that bulge? There's a crack in the wire, on the blue wire, and there's a bulge all the way around on that wire. So this, I hope you can see that, it's kind of blurry on this camera. This might end up being a wiring issue and not a sensor issue. I'm going to throw some of that liquid electrical tape on here and see if it helps this guy get by. But this might be a bigger issue than just the actual oil temperature sensor. But look how easy it is to get to. You don't have to remove the alternator. You can do it right from the bottom of the car. Just take the oil filter off, and 19 millimeter open end will get your oil temperature sensor off. So just to get your hopes not too high, if you have a scan tool, before we get into this, if you have a scan tool like this here Mopar BT0897, I was actually able to read the temperature of this sensor. I did it after the fact because I did notice that the actual wire going to the sensor had a little bit of a bulge in it and a crack in the actual wire itself. So come to find out, honestly, it wasn't the sensor, but I'm going to show you where there's a sensor is at, how to change it. It's really easy. And if you have a scanner where you could check the temperature, if it's stuck at negative 40 degrees, chances are it's not going to be your sensor. It's going to be a wiring issue. And the wiring diagram for this, I ended up getting a phone call real fast. I'm not sure if you heard the phone ringing, but I did. Now, the wiring diagram for the oil temperature sensor on this vehicle is actually pretty simple. It's given power and ground through the computer, and the schematic only goes from the computer to the sensor, back to the computer pretty much. Nothing else. So if the sensor is bad, you can't find a wiring problem, chances are the computer might just not be reading correctly. But I hope it helps. If it does, let me know in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, share. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.